You're on.
Yeah, oh y'all did the plumbing? Looking good. Is it light outside? Can you see? I got my friends, they leaving the plumb. What's up everybody? Hey, cameraman, put me up a little bit, there you go. Today we coming back to the house to check on the progress. Look like the plumber's leaving right now, but we got a couple things done. Some plumbing, some fittings. That's the upstairs bathroom look like, the master bedroom. So before they close the walls up, they gotta, so we got some plumbing, some HVAC. Still working. So we got the hot water, cold water lines being insulated. So really, that's really important so you don't lose temperature. We got some of the HVAC lines being ran. So, duct work. So that's for the bathroom, venting the bathroom. The line that you saw right there, the HVAC pipe I told you about. All right. So, here's the return right here. So here's some of the mechanical work that's being done. So this is going to the basement. So this is the return right here. So that's where, you know, for your, takes out the cold air in the house, and then you feel heat comes in. So that's what that's for. And you can see right here, they just covered them, but they already got the piping, the ductwork there. So looks like we got a lot of progress from a week ago, right? So we got the duct work in for the plumbing, for the HVAC. So a lot of mechanical work is being done. So we got two vents back here. We got the vent with the kitchen. So where the Jesus, I can't think what it's called. What's it called? Oh, watch some. So where the kitchen hood goes, so this is gonna go right here. So this is venting out, up and out into the back. So a lot of work got done this week, especially with the mechanical. Let's see. Yep. So we got a lot of mechanical. So here's the downstairs bathroom. You guys can see right here. So here's where the sink and the drain will go, and then the toilet, right? The plumbing for the toilet. So if you look right here, you see the plumbing. So this is most of the things that people don't really talk about, but you should come and take a look at it. So, yeah. Let's go upstairs and check it out. You can turn that way. So we got the duct work up in the ceiling. You can see all the duct work. This is what nobody ever sees, except for your HVAC man. But it's important to know, take a look at it. Make sure it's ran correctly. There's nothing, no holes in it, if you can see it anyway. So all the mechanical, the HVAC work is done over here. So I would love to have more returns, but that's not how they do it nowadays. So again, here's another vent for the bathroom. So when you do number 2, it goes outside so you don't smell it, right? So that's the vent that they use for the toilet. But anyway, you guys get more into that later. We talk about toilets and stuff, but you guys probably don't care about that. But we're just looking at the plumbing, all the mechanical work that's been done this week. So we're moving right along. I'm excited. Here's the HVAC line, right? So when they run the air conditioning, this is ran through the house, right? And it's going to be a unit up here, as you can see right here. So the HVAC unit is in, right here, right? So right here is a heat pump. So a heat pump is up here on the second level because you don't, most of the time, have a furnace downstairs, a 90% furnace. That's going to heat majority of the house, but then you need a heat pump to just give you that extra heat, especially more so in the summertime because it gets cool. And basically that acts as a emergency heat, or if you don't have enough heat up here in the summertime, the wintertime. And in the summertime, you just need extra unit up here because it's going to be super hot because it's a whole other level by itself. So, but you don't really need another furnace up here due to the fact that you have another unit downstairs, okay? So we got our returns going there, our supplies going here, and our returns going there and there, right? So we got a couple of different returns. So this is right here, the bathroom with the tub. So the tub is in place. It's coming along, guys. It's starting to look like a house. Can't see it's dark. Why do you think it's dark? So this is the bathroom. Again, this is the girls' room. So nothing is really done in here. Really. But it's not, everything ain't supposed to be done. So right now, just on the mechanical side. So that's the HVAC, that's the plumbing, duct work, that kind of stuff. So here's the washer and dryer room. So this was the duct work for the dryer. Then you got your plumbing for your washer. So it has its own room, and we'll put some shelving and stuff in here, make it look pretty nice. And you can see here we already have a water line to put for your shower head. And you can see a lot of times they're not using copper anymore, guys. Copper isn't used much no more. So using like a PVC, PEX, all that kind of stuff now in houses. So you can see the water lines, right? And insulate the hot water line so that you don't lose temperature when you want to take a shower. You don't have to let it run for 10 minutes. Houses are made more efficient now. So up here, we have, just checking things out. So here's the tub for the bathtub, along with the sink over here, sink over there. And then the toilet, we got a room for that, just so you have privacy in the bathroom toilet. So just it doesn't, all the fumes don't, you don't have baloney butt throughout the whole house. So the smelling, so I'm glad that we got a separate toilet room. So then this is a shower, right? So you got a little bench in the shower. You can sit down, take a shower, chill out. So it's gonna be great. Windows. The windows, you can fan them out. Huh? It's okay, keep turning. Good job, thank you. The cameraman was telling me it was getting too white, he couldn't see anything. So then we get to look into the woods. Wake up in the morning. So you can just see the woods. So this is the mechanical that's upstairs. So we got a lot done this week in the house. So the plumbing is done. And we'll go outside and take a look at the roof because the roof was done too. So we'll look at that as well. There's the cameraman. So, yeah, let me close this door. I say just gonna leave it open. So, let's check downstairs. Oh, I left my phone down in the car, so I don't know how much light we're gonna have. Okay, I'm not gonna go down here because you guys are gonna have to come back. We're gonna have to come back at another time because the reason why you see all the windows and doors open, they just did a lot of the glue to put on the PVC and stuff like that, so the fumes are real strong. So I'm not gonna go down there. It's kind of hazardous. That's why them guys are trying to get out of here. You don't want to breathe in that stuff, especially if you don't have a mask on. So it's much better up here because the doors and everything are open, the windows open, so it can help that stuff to pass through. So, yeah, also here's a sink for the kitchen. Here's a sink for the kitchen, so the sink will be right here with a bar top, right? So, yeah, I'm kind of happy. I'm pleasantly surprised at how much work I've done this week. Next week, I think the electrician is going to come in and do a lot of the electricity. And then before they close the walls up, we're going to have an inspector to come out and to make sure everything is like it's supposed to be, on top of me, even though I'm inspecting. But legally, we have to have an inspector to come out to check the property to make sure it's like it's supposed to be. So, let's go check out outside. So right here, guys, we can see the roof. Last week, the roof wasn't done, right? So we got the roof done this week. Some of it anyway. I think I still got to do that over here. But most of the roof is done, as you guys can see. Got to put the post up here for the porch. And yeah, so it's coming along quite nicely, you know. All right, guys, so that's basically it for this house today. I think we went over a lot. We saw a lot. So just want to tell you guys, tune into the next one. We're just going over, see what's happening and what you should be expecting and looking for in the house, and just check on your house. We're going to get into the design part of things. We're going to get into lighting, changing our lighting fixtures. We're going to talk about doing some custom work as you're going into the house, some things that make your house unique to you. So just stay along for the journey and make sure you continue to watch I Am Charles Gibbs. There's a lot of things that you can watch and learn about business. We can learn about marketing. We can learn about housing. We're going to learn about a whole bunch of stuff. So I hope you continue to tune in. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and share button. I would appreciate it. And I'll see you on the next one. All right? See ya.